In this lecture, we will do examples. The first one is to convert 4.44 radians to degrees. We know this is the very important part. Pi radians is 180 degrees. We always start from here. Okay. Then both sides divided by pi. We basically have a pi divided by pi is 1 radian. So then we have 1 radian here. And then 180 divided by pi is 57.3 degrees. So you see down here 180 divided by pi is 57.3 degrees approximately. 2 radians would be this number multiplied by 2. 3 radians would be 180 over pi times 3. And here is 4.44 radians. So that will be 4.44 times 180 divided by pi. Then you will find out the degrees. So down here is 4.44 times 180 divided by pi. So it's 254.393261. Okay, this is in degrees. Now, we know 254.393261 is the sum of these two numbers. And we like to convert this one because this is less than 1 degree. So we like to convert this one to 1 minute. That will be this number times 60. Okay. So what do we get? 0.393261 times 60. You have a 33.59566 minutes. Again, 23.59566 is the sum of these two numbers. This is less than 1 minute, so we like to convert this one to seconds. 59.5 something is quite close to 1 minute. Okay, now down here we like to convert this one to seconds. So then this number needs to multiply it by 60. So then we do is 59566 times 60. So it's like 35.7, and then we round it up. Is going to be 36 seconds. Okay, so the final answer is 254 degrees 23 minutes 36 seconds. Okay, if do this by using a calculator, you can basically do from here. You see 254.393261 second degree. Number 4 is degree, minute, seconds. So you hit 4, you hit enter. Then it will gives you what? 254 degrees 23 minutes 36 seconds because you round 7 up. Okay, yeah. So that's the solution for this one. Sometimes you can stop right here, final answer. Sometimes you can go more. Okay, so it depends on the requirements of the question. You may go up to here. All right, now let's look at another example. Another example is like this. This one. This one says that given the length of the arc AP, this is the arc, which is 15 inches, and the radius R is 5 inches. It's basically here to here. Then how large is the angle that is subtended by AP, by this arc? AP is this arc, and this central angle theta is actually subtended by this arc. Okay, by this arc. So how large is this angle? Theta. You know, you want to remember theta is actually the length of arc, the length of arc AP divided by what? R. So this is how radian is defined. Radian is the ratio of the arc to the R, to the radians. We know the length of the arc is given 15 inches, and the length of the radians is 5 inches. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, and you got 3 radians. Okay, so this one basically is the ask you to recall the concept. Now, this one is a little bit different. This one is that how long is the arc intercepted by a given central angle, which is 60 degrees, okay, in a circle of radians 18.4 cm. Here we need to do two things. One thing, we know that theta, let's say this one is theta, angle is theta. Then this arc, let's say A is here and P is here. So we need to do, the first thing is 60 degrees is how many radians? We want to do that. So right down here we know 80 degrees is pi radians. If both sides divided by 3, both sides divided by 3, then we know that 60 degrees corresponds to pi over 3 radians. That's the one thing we want to be clear. The second thing we need to know is that the length of AP, the previous one, is what? Is theta is, let's say, denote this one the, let me use length. The length of AP. In this case, AP is here. In that case, AP is that long. divided by r. Now you know I like to do is that I want to denote the length of AP. This one, let's say, is S. Okay, S. So then, if both sides multiplied by R on both sides, then this R cancel this R. Okay, so then the right hand side is just the length of AP, which is S, and then the left hand side is R theta. So let me write theta R or R theta, it doesn't matter, on the right. Okay, now we need to find is S. So what you see down here, how long is the arc AP, the length? Okay, so then we know theta is pi over 3. Okay, pi over 3. Yeah, so you may put pi over 3 here. Okay, R is what? R is 18.4 cm. Okay, so you do will be times 18.4 cm. What do we get? You then do by using your calculator. Okay, so pi divided by 3 times 18.4. You hit enter, you then have 19.2 rounded up, 6 rounded up, so 3. Okay, so 3. Or you may round what? Look at 8. You may round 8 up, so that's 27. So you may round 19.27 centimeters. Okay, so that will be the final answer. Okay, I'll see you next time with more examples.